Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell. It's important, guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So me I talk to you now. I talk to Lucia because Lucia will help me execute the prank here. So I go act like I sell Jason's game. So what I do is I go put up the game and say for sale on my WhatsApp status. But I go make only you, Lovell, and Jason can see it. I go write the price for a little bit of money. So I go put it and I sell it for 15 grand. So how am I gonna see it? Because Jason rarely views story. I gonna make you act like you try reach out to me, but you not get me. So you gonna call Jason and say, "Andrew in here because Mr. She post the game and one of my brethren want it, but we not get to her." So you know that I could drive attention like, what? Which game? I'm gonna take it from this. I'm gonna text us, so keep your phone near you. Yeah. Alright. Yo, I know I'm gonna cuss now. I love him gaming, guys. I soon come back. I'm gonna take a picture with the game. So I take a picture with the game and the headphone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post the game for 10 grand. I'm gonna post the headphone. Jason love him headphone. I'm gonna post that free. If you buy the game, I get that free. Alright guys, so now I put up them, then I'm gonna give it some time. I'm gonna make it stay up there for like 10 minutes. So if Jason see it, that would be good. But if him not see it, I have Lucy where I go help me to execute it. Anyway, work out it, I go work out in my favor.
I heard there was a time when bees used to come right up to shore, pluck a lady right out of her veggie patch and swallow her up, but not no more. And it's because of the hunters. There's not a no place.
And left forever scarred by his actions.
Babe, what you sell?
Very excitement, sir.
What you sell?
Yeah, we're excited.
No, what you
To
sell?
watch.
Babe, what are you selling?
What do you want to watch?
Babe, what are you selling?
I'm selling the game.
Full game.
This game.
Why you not gonna sell yourself?
Babe, I'm selling the game.
Why you not gonna sell yourself? You did buy that game for me?
No?
So why you gonna sell it?
Babe, you realize you live for the game?
So what? I buy it because I want to use it. So if I live, live in there or out there on it, I'm my game, babe.
How would that?
Bruce, I forgot me not to say it, you know. This one can't.
Lucy, I want. What Lucy want?
I'm not telling you. This one talk to you.
Why must I, babe? I mean, well,
Babe, take my game off for your WhatsApp, babe. That me I talk about.
Babe, people already.
So what? So say what?
Babe, I'm the game and I'm selling the game and it's final.
You find out what?
It's final. I'm selling the game.
You feel like you're running a dictator relationship in it?
No, but I'm selling it.
You cannot sell
I'm selling it. I'm selling the game.
I bet you.
And I'm selling the headphone.
I bet you. Me bet you.
Excuse me?
Me bet you.
It's final.
If you sell that the game, you want naked.
Well,
I bet you.
You plan to do it because me are selling. Well, Lucy, I said.
Yo,
What is Lucy saying?
Take down the game off for your WhatsApp. Take down the game off for your WhatsApp.
I'm selling the game off
for
already reach out.
Anything we will pay attention to more than it doesn't matter how much we pay.
Because of 10 grand, I sell it for.
Yeah, man, we see you put up a 10 grand sign. Obviously, you don't know the worth of it. You know, it worth more than you then.
It worth more than
me? Yeah. You work more than you.
Game work more than me?
Yes, it work more than you. You see how you feel now? You see how you feel now? Low me game. Low me game.
Game work more than me?
I was kidding.
So
Leave
I'm
me
going
game
to sell it then?
Leave me game alone.
That's a more reason to sell it. You leave for the game day and night. Yeah. So what you going to do?
I don't want the argument in. I'm going to take up my game.
Go around me and say.
I'm not telling a lie because you see, you know, so sometimes feel like you just don't test my faith.
Babe, I am selling the game and it's final.
You don't test my faith, you know, but I feel like you want to see, you know.
Romy, where did I say something about the game? A liar, tell bro.
I need to touch your earphone here, because I still have my headphone, master.
Is any money to your account already? Mama, me have to go link up tomorrow. Bro, me soon call about.
Tell him
say legit. Tell him say tomorrow we can deliver it. Alright. Alright, thanks here, bro. We really appreciate that. You get grand off it? Oh, you sending money for pay a fare. Oh, alright then, bro. No problem. Alright, I start it okay. I look like just agree for so like when you hear about the money. Tell us that that's the money you did want to hear about first, you know? No, man, I feel him game, but me never did tell him something I tell him, but he saying I have no problem. Alright then, bro. Yeah. I true, me tell I same thing. Me then I tell him and he must.
Touch me, man.
Soon call her back.
Don't come touch me.
Babe,
don't dare me.
The money reaching out.
You don't grab too much, man. You know. So, my business is that any you touch me game, man. Any, I bet you. I bet you. So what? Yeah. So what? Anytime man pay attention to anything more than who don't have a problem. You didn't want me there road night and day.
No, but.
Yo, just move in front of me. Just move in front of me.
Alright, what me I go do then? You have to go help.
Who cares what you gonna do?
So what me I go? Come here.
Excuse no man, just move out of my way. No, me are trying to deal with it right now. Move out of my way. Move out of my way.
Babe, really? Baby, I have to go help me then. What me I go do because the money in a
Michael, you just me what it, man. Stop talking to me now.
Baby, money in a Lucy account.
Is that my business? Stop touch!
So I say I got sleep with the game?
You don't say you love ram too much though, girl.
No, I say I got sleep with the game. So you're coming out, you take out the game and come in a back room, go sleep. Wow! Anyways, you might see camera feel like it's a prank. Me document the moment of me selling the game.
You're lucky. You're not going to document me. Can you sell yourself?
You want me to sell myself?
$100,000 pay for the game, you know. You know how much for pleasure back road? $1,500. You try to sell yourself then if that be the case.
You're so mean.
Let me see, 120,000 divided by 1,500. Let me see what this goes. Let me see the practicality of this. Not 15,000, 1,500. You have to sell yourself 80 times. You can buy back my game. If you want the money.
You're so mean, you know that?
You say you love ramp? You say me not so good, just sit down and live my life normal.
I say you want to live?
Yeah. I got key.
Anyways, give me a game card. Oh, watch out, me never remember to sell a controller.
No man. Oh, euros.
So when me touch your ears and your beard, you know go on about me touch your
ears. Baby, don't understand them thing are fragile, baby. One bad bounce can cause it to stop.
Babe, me touching it like this, I gonna make it stop.
I don't know if you know if you can handle yourself. You see, at that video. Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's supposed to short. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna make it up too, you know. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me. Road to 100K. I love you guys. Bye.